Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term CBFW. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, CBFW is an abbreviation often used to express confusion or disbelief online. People use it when they come across something puzzling or unexpected. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. CBFW first showed up in the 2010s internet slang scene. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among younger people chatting online. Now let's check out how to use CBFW in a sentence. Correct example 1. I saw the message and thought, CBFW? That makes no sense at all. Correct example 2. She just said what? CBFW, that's wild. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said CBFW at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using CBFW right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. CBFW means an abbreviation used to express confusion or disbelief online. It started in the 2010s internet slang scene, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with CBFW in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.